In this video we will be looking at recording a macro in Excel to sort a table. Recording a macro for sorting tables in Excel automates the sorting process, enabling users to organize data dynamically and maintain data consistency. Let's focus on this worksheet with a table as an example. Before recording a macro, it is good practice to save the file as macro-enabled to ensure it works in the future. To do so, select Save As and find the macro-enabled option from the drop-down. To start a macro recording, you must click on the Record button in the lower left corner of the screen. After the Record macro window opens, give it a name and select OK. Note that you can create a shortcut key to run this macro as well as create a description of what the macro does. Here I sort the table ascending. Now I will stop recording the macro by clicking on the Stop button, followed by clearing the sort for testing. Now to test the macro I use Fn plus option plus F8 to view macros. Select the macro that I just created and run. You can run the macro from a button. To do so, click on the Insert tab followed by clicking on the Shapes option. Insert a shape into the worksheet. Next, open the menu for the shape and assign the shape to the macro, followed by clearing the sort for testing. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.